Hi guys, welcome back with a new video on the Tech YouTube channel. So, hope you guys staying safe. So, in today's video, we are going to see how to create logos like this by using Canva. So, Canva is a website that makes your editing easier than using a software like Photoshop to edit your images or edit your thumbnails or anything. You can use Canva. Like Canva saves your time and makes your editing so easy. So, let's hop into the video and see how to create unique or gaming or any logo from Canva within 2 or 5 minutes. So before going to do, make sure you subscribe and like this video and share this video with your friends. So let's hop into the video. So first, what you should do is to go on Google and search on canva.com and enter. So after that, if you have an account, you can log in, or if you don't have an account, you can go here and click on sign up and create your own account. So after that, you can go here and click on create a blank logo. So after that, when you click on that, on a new page, a blank logo is being opened. So now onwards, what you should do is to start your editing on the logo. So first I'm going to be designing a gaming logo. So here on the left side you can see some templates. So you can select one of them and you can edit them by putting your own title and things. But today in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to create your own logo. So let's start now. So first, what you should do is to design or select a background color for your logo. So for that, you can go here and click on background color. So after that, there are colors that you can put to your logo. So I may go with the purple color. So now we have a background color to our logo. So now secondly, what I'm going to do is to put a little picture like an animated character. So to do that, what I'm going to do is click on here on elements. After that, you can search for an element you want. Click on that element and you can just edit your logo. So after that, you can click one of these white dot four corners to resize your element. So after you resize, you can put this in the current place that you want to be on the logo. So now third step, what you need to do is to put a little text to your logo. So for that, go on here and click on text. So here on the top you can see some text like at the heading, at the subheading, like 3 of them are there. And down you can see text templates. So I'm gonna click on this first one and add it to my logo like that, add heading thing. So if you want, you can use the down templates even, but I'm gonna go with the add the heading thing because I can then custom edit my own text. So click on that and you can edit your logo. So now I added my text to the logo. So now I'm going to change the color in my text. So to do that, what you should do is to click on text and click here on text color. So after that, from here you can change your color. So not your color, your text color. So now what I'm going to do is to put a text style. So to do that, what you can do is go on here and click on styles. So then on the left side your style tab will open, and from here you can select a style that you want. So after adding this title and the elements and everything, fixed in the colors and everything, you can see the output of it now. So now the logo is being done and now you can download it and upload anywhere. So before uploading, you need to know how to download it now. So to download it, you can go here on click on share and click on download, and I'm gonna go with the file format with the PNG because it's good for the sharing files and for good output. So I'm gonna give the file type as PNG and just hit on download, and there you go with the logo. So it's so simple to create a logo from Canva, like not only gaming logos, other professional logos also you can design. So it's so simple, like adding a background color and then putting just the element, and if you want you can put grounded like colors also, and just put a text, and there you go with the thing. But the most thing is to have a creative mind, so then you will get creative ideas and make your logo pretty cool. So steps easy. That's it. So in today's video we saw how to create logos from Canva within 2 or 5 minutes. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. So what did you think about the video? Make sure to comment that on the comment box, and see you guys in another video. Bye.